Hey there. In previous tutorial, we implemented the factorial using Java. In the this tutorial, we are going to do the same thing. That we are going to implement the factorial program. But in this program, we are going to use recursion. So let's implement this. First of all, create a new Java class and give it name factorial using recursion. Okay, and just select the method to create a main method. Okay, now first of all remove this text and declare a variable, and same thing that we done in previous tutorial. Scanner class, import the scanner class and create the object of a scanner class. This is the same thing all that we are doing in some previous tutorials. Now n equals to sc.nextInt, as we are going to take integer type inputs. Now let's create a method. Okay, static int fact. Okay, and it's going to take integer value, and okay, so it's going to take, oh sorry, I have created this in inside the main method, sorry for that. Okay, now we are going to check if our value of n is less than equal to 1, then it's going to return 1, else it's going to return fact or n multiplied fact n minus 1. Okay, so it's going to return this. Now what is happening here, it's recursively calling the same method. Okay, recursive calling of same method. Now what we are going to do, let's take some int output equals to fact, and we are going to pass the value of n here, and just system, or we can simply write sys out and click control enter and just print output. Okay, let's just run this program and give the value as 3, so it's giving 6. As we already know that the factorial of 3 is 6, factorial of 5 is 120, so it's working good. Let's take something like 0. So it's giving 1. We have already declared here that if the value of n is less than equal to 1, then it's going to return the value of 1. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.